Hi y'all, it's Jenny Flores from the UNLV Outdoor Adventures Department, and this is how to garden in Las Vegas. In Las Vegas, many of us may not have large yard space to garden, but that should not discourage you. If you optimize your space and have a wide variety of plants, you can have a very successful garden. Since most plants do not need an enormous amount of space, square foot gardening is a useful planting tool. For example, if you install a raised bed that is 2 by 4 feet, you have 8 square feet of space to plant in. Other great ideas for desert climates include planting in pots, hanging baskets, or windowsills. Here's an example of plantings for a 3 by 5 foot garden bed. With your square foot plots, you can plant a large range of fruits, vegetables, and other plants. You could section off your square foot plots with little wooden dowels and string to be able to visualize where your seeds are going to be placed. A good tip is to put tall plants at the back or north of the bed so they do not shade the others. Next thing to consider is the sun, which is a vital component of gardening. Luckily, we do not lack the sun here, and most veggies and fruits can handle hours of it. When picking out seeds, make sure to check to see what kind of sunlight they require and place them in a specific spot accordingly. Soil along with sunlight provides your plants the nutrients it needs to grow. The hard desert soil in southern Nevada is not ideal for planting. Its hard and rocky nature makes it difficult to plant and allows for limited absorption of water. Alternative soil suggestions vary, but a mixture of native desert soil and planting soil, purchased at a nursery, is recommended. Some organic matter and compost should be included in the planting soil portion. This can also be bought at a nursery, or you can create your own. Water can be the most difficult part of gardening in our desert climate. It is important to be conscious of how much water you are using in your garden. In southern Nevada, drip irrigation is the preferred method. Drip irrigation systems can be designed to deliver water where you want, when you want, and in the right quantities. Water is delivered directly to the plant base and is not wasted on empty land, pavement, walls, or leaves. Here are some tips for avoiding a spike in your water bill. Use a scheduled drip irrigation system or carefully water by hand. Water your plants in early morning or late evening, allowing the plants ample time to absorb the water while avoiding evaporation. Stick to one long soak as opposed to several shorter ones. Keep an eye on your water meter and irrigation system to avoid wasteful leaks. Here is a vegetable planting guide for southern Nevada. This can help you determine which plants will thrive during certain times of the year. Thank you all for tuning in.